Stanton Millworks is a commercial millwork shop. We're highly custom, so when there's something out there that the designer is really looking for, on the millwork side, we can provide anything from estimating all the way through design into fabrication, finish, and install of that work. We have a lot of people on the shop floor, about 18 plus. They're all dedicated to this craft, a lot with different experience. We bring in those ideas, try to morph them into something that we can either provide to a client or add to the Stanton capabilities. Over the last 100 years, a lot of things have changed. Technology has really been huge in just the construction industry in general. That's included in the millwork side. So there's a lot of things that are automated. Currently, we do have 2 CNC machines that we use to cut out our pieces of parts. We have automated edge banders, dowel machines, which give us the quality of that product once it's all said and done of how it's constructed. But we still lean on the old school thinking and knowledge. Again, having people in our shop that have 30 plus years in this industry in general just can't be replicated by a robot. So to have that experience available on top of how we make it a little bit easier on them from the automated side, combine both of those, gives us our quality product at the end. The most recent project stands out over in Stanton is the Western Southern Tennis Open project. It was a very large project, very custom, working with a new client, Bart Mallow, but turned out to be a great partnership there. It was a very, very complicated design, project, schedule across 3 or 4 different buildings. Being able to coordinate with a bunch of different people and not just worry about ourselves drives success for that project as a whole. Starting with an estimator, understanding where their project needs to be on a budget side, financing side, all the way to dealing with our project managers. A lot of our repeat clients come back because they like to work with the managers that we have on staff. And it's the way that they communicate, stay in front of the projects. What we like to say is we don't want to be the headache, we want to be the solution. Stanton Millworks is the best, it comes down to that custom aspect. So to have that and be able to provide that is what we're known for.